My mother is here in the audience. She has advanced dementia and no longer recognizes most people around her. One of the few things that my mother responds to is music. Her favorite song that she sang to me and my siblings growing up is "You Are My Sunshine." I sang the same song to my own kids who are here today when they were babies. And if you could do me a kindness and join me in singing "You Are My Sunshine" to my mother. You are my sunshine.